Hello, everyone. Welcome to season 2 of the Sam Podcast. We'll be talking about careers this season with me, Mr. Sam. Today, we are exploring one of the broadest and most versatile engineering careers, the mechanical engineer. To help us understand this exciting field, I've invited Ms. Isabela Rodriguez, a professional mechanical engineer with over 11 years of experience working in manufacturing, automotive systems, and industrial design. Isabela, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Mr. Sam. I'm really excited to be here. Mechanical engineering is such a wide field, so I hope we can cover it all.
Because this is going to be an energetic discussion, maybe even a friendly argument or two.
Oh, I'm ready for that. Let's get started.
Let's begin with a simple question. What exactly does a mechanical engineer do?
Mechanical engineers design, analyze, build, and maintain mechanical systems. That includes engines, machines, heating and cooling systems, robotics, manufacturing equipment, and even aerospace components.
So basically, if something moves, spins, rotates, or produces mechanical force, a mechanical engineer probably designed it.
Exactly. We work with motion, energy, and materials, from tiny machine parts to massive industrial equipment.
Soft mechanical gears turning. I've heard mechanical engineering is academically challenging. What does the education look like?
It requires strong foundations in mathematics, physics, thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, materials science, and mechanics of machines.
That sounds heavy already.
It is. You learn how heat transfers, how fluids flow, how forces act on structures, and how materials behave under stress.
So this career is very technical.
Very technical, but also practical. Many courses include laboratory experiments and design projects.
Describe your typical workday.
Some days, I design machine components using computer-aided design software.
Keyboard typing and mouse clicking.
Other days, I'm on the factory floor inspecting equipment performance.
Factory machinery humming softly.
I might also analyze performance data, test prototypes, or attend meetings with other engineers.
So your job combines creativity and technical precision.
Exactly.
Let me challenge you. Mechanical engineering seems very broad. Does that make it less specialized compared to other engineering fields?
That's a common question. Yes, it's broad, but that's a strength. Mechanical engineers can work in automotive, aerospace, robotics, energy, HVAC systems, and more.
But does being broad mean you're not an expert in one thing?
Not at all. You start broad, then specialize. For example, some engineers focus entirely on robotics or renewable energy systems.
Mechanical engineers often work in factories or labs. Is the job physically demanding?
Sometimes, inspecting equipment, overseeing installations, or testing heavy machinery can require standing for long periods.
And mentally?
Very demanding. We constantly calculate forces, efficiency, thermal loads, and safety factors.
Calculator buttons clicking.
Even a small design mistake can cause system failure.
So let's talk about stress. If a machine fails in a factory, production stops. That must be intense.
Yes, equipment downtime costs money. That's why reliability and preventative maintenance are critical.
Have you experienced emergency situations?
Oh, yes. I once had to help troubleshoot a production line failure late at night.
Alarm beeping faintly.
It was stressful, but also exciting.
Exciting?
Yes, solving urgent problems feels like solving a complex puzzle.
People sometimes think engineering lacks creativity. What's your opinion?
I strongly disagree. Designing efficient systems requires creativity. For example, reducing energy consumption in an engine requires innovative thinking.
So design is artistic in a way.
Yes, it's technical art.
Mechanical engineering requires years of study and high responsibility. Is the salary worth it?
In many regions, mechanical engineers earn competitive salaries, especially in industries like aerospace, automotive design, and energy.
So career growth is strong.
Yes, with experience, you can move into senior engineering roles, project management, or executive positions.
What are the main specializations?
There are many: automotive engineering, aerospace engineering, robotics, HVAC systems, energy systems, manufacturing engineering, mechatronics.
That's a wide range.
Exactly. Why mechanical engineering is so versatile.
Mechanical engineers also work on renewable energy, correct?
Yes, wind turbines, solar tracking systems, electric vehicles, energy efficient engines all involve mechanical engineering.
Gentle wind blowing.
We design systems to reduce energy waste and carbon emissions.
Some manufacturing industries require long hours during production deadlines. Is work-life balance difficult?
During project deadlines, yes, but many companies now focus on healthier schedules.
So it depends on the company and industry.
Exactly.
Mechanical engineers don't work alone, right?
Not at all. We collaborate with electrical engineers, civil engineers, software engineers, technicians, and project managers.
So communication skills matter.
Very much. Explaining technical concepts clearly is essential.
There's also ethical responsibility, ensuring machines are safe.
Absolutely. Safety standards must be followed strictly. If a machine is unsafe, people can get hurt.
Have you ever delayed a project due to safety concerns?
Yes, and even if clients are unhappy, safety must come first.
What's the most rewarding moment in your career?
Seeing a machine you designed operate smoothly for the first time.
Smooth engine running steadily.
It's incredibly satisfying.
That must feel powerful.
It feels like watching your idea come to life.
After everything, heavy academic workload, stress, responsibility, technical demands, is becoming a mechanical engineer worth it?
Yes. Because mechanical engineers build the machines that drive industries. We create solutions that improve efficiency and innovation.
That's a strong argument.
Without mechanical engineers, factories wouldn't run, vehicles wouldn't move, and energy systems wouldn't function.
I can't argue with that. Isabella, thank you for sharing such detailed insights about mechanical engineering, the challenges, the stress, and the rewards.
Thank you, Mr. Sam. This was such an enjoyable discussion.
To our listeners, mechanical engineering is technical, demanding, and responsible, but also creative, versatile, and impactful. If you enjoy understanding how machines work, solving complex problems, and designing systems that move the world, this career might be for you. Thank you for listening to the SAM Podcast. Join us next time as we explore another exciting career.
Goodbye, everyone.
Gila Teka.